Got a business idea? Let's make it happen. Hey there, business enthusiasts. Welcome back to our series on creating your own business plan. Today, we're diving into part 3 of this exciting journey. So, you've got your business idea, and you've outlined your plan. Now it's time to put your plan into action. This is where the real work begins. First, determine your target market. Who are your potential customers? What are their needs and wants? Understanding your market is crucial to your success. Next, create your marketing strategy. How will you reach your target market? What channels will you use? How will you differentiate your product or service from your competitors? Finally, crunch the numbers. How much will your product or service cost? What are your startup costs? How will you generate revenue? Remember, creating a business plan is a journey, not a destination. It's a living, breathing document that will evolve as your business grows. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more business tips and tricks. Until next time, happy planning.